Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been on our minds lately, cleaning and dusting our mini office corner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a bit boring? But trust me, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the importance of keeping our workspace clean and organized. It's not just about appearances, but also about our mental and physical well-being. A cluttered and dusty environment can lead to distractions, stress, and even health issues. So, let's make a commitment to keep our mini office corner clean and tidy. Now, let's talk about the actual process of cleaning and it can actually be quite therapeutic. Start by removing any unnecessary items from your desk. This will not only make it easier to clean, but it will also help you focus on the tasks at hand. Next, grab a duster and start dusting the top of your desk, the edges, and any other hard-to-reach areas. Don't forget to dust your computer monitor, keyboard, and mouse. This will not only make your workspace look nicer, but it will also help your devices function better. Now, let's move on to the desk itself. Use a microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to gently clean the surface. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as they can damage your desk. Once you've cleaned the surface, use a dry cloth to buff it and bring out the shine. Finally, let's talk about the chair. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the armrests and the back of the chair. If your chair has a removable cover, take it off and wash it according to the instructions. Once it's dry, put it back on and your chair will look and feel brand new. And there you have it, folks. Cleaning and dusting your mini office corner is not only important for your workspace, but also for your overall well-being. So, let's make a commitment to keep our spaces clean and organized. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning.